How to remove Facebook account from Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can remove Facebook account from Instagram. So before we begin, if you're new here, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now, without any further ado, let's begin. So to remove your Facebook account from your Instagram, first locate your Instagram. Locate the app, then open it up. Make sure you're logged in into your account. And after you've done that, go to your profile at the bottom right. After you've done that, tap on the three lines on the top right corner. You should then be on your settings and activity. And after you're there, tap on the Accounts Center option. After you tap on it, you will find multiple options here. What you'll need to do is tap on the Profiles option, and you will find all the connected accounts, including your Facebook, on your Account Center. Now tap on your Facebook, and after you do that, you will see everything, but you won't find the option to remove it. So what you'll need to do is head back after you have found your Facebook on your profiles. So scroll down a bit and you will find the accounts option. Tap on that. From here, you will be able to review the accounts that you have in your Accounts Center. So after that, all you now have to do is tap on the remove button on your Facebook profile. After you tap on it, you will then need to tap on remove account and then confirm it by tapping on continue, and doing that will remove your Facebook account from Instagram. And yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.